Go to any Bollywood movie over the last 30 years and watch the scene where the guy realizes he's in love with the girl and the girl realizes she's in love with the guy. When the girl is realizing she's in love with the guy is either fighting, running, or working really hard without consequence. ठीक है कि वो he's pushing
Without
himself.
consequence, without purpose.
मतलब
ऐसे
वो
वैसे
कोशिश कर रहा है बट नहीं हो रहा है. सपोज वो पिट रहा है या वो मार भी रहा है तो फाइनली हो रहा है, राइट? लाइक it's a attempt to change how things are. When a guy falls in love with a girl, it's raining and she's dancing. हवा चली और उसका छाता या उसका पल्लू उड़ गया. It's moving with the way things are, as opposed to being a correctional force to the way things are. समझ रहा है? And so this is the foundation of this metaphor. Masculine traits in life are like breaking that mountain to build the road so that your wife can be taken to a hospital. You know that story? Very famous guy who broke an entire mountain down and built that road. That's deeply masculine. The feminine part is when the guy realizes, despite me breaking a mountain, nothing changes. The woman whispers a song, dances with you, cooks you that meal, touches you in that way, where it all seems worth again.
It's like you become masculine to achieve the feminine. Something like
No, it's not hierarchical. ऐसा नहीं है, hierarchy नहीं है strictly. I think of dance as a feminine trait, which is this is the way the world is and I'm happy with it. The restful part between two active notes is the feminine part, and the masculine part is the active notes between two restful parts.
I get it.
I think the fun in life is in the feminine part of it.